Alright guys, I have two helpers here today, Joyful and Johanna. She's busy bubbling. We have done a lot of dissections already, a couple of dissections already, I guess. And every time we do either slides or something in lab, we're going to have a bucket of soapy water and a bucket of clean water, because I normally like to dunk, clean it up, dry it off, and keep our utensils nice and clean. Before you take anything out of your bag, put your gloves on. Make sure you're being as sanitary as possible. Just don't assume that anything's clean. So we're just going to be super scientists and be extra clean in our lab today. Any utensils you do use, any tools, do need to be washed and dried and then put back into your... There's a plastic bag in there for you to put them in so we know that you've used them. Okay? I recommend you start with the frog because the frog is much less messy than the fish. Okay? So start with the frog. You're going to start by looking at the outside of the frog. Make sure you look inside the mouth of the frog. You're going to want to use the probe to help you with that, and help you to pull out the tongue a little bit so you can see where exactly it attaches. You've already labeled some things on your lab sheet, so that part should be really easy. Not a lot to record this lab, just have those lab sheets in front of you so that you can just make sure you're seeing things and recognizing the things you've labeled. So have fun exploring. We're going to go ahead and look at the outside of the frog and then the mouth. And then I'll start the camera back up in just a minute.